Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to import files on the Goodnotes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Just wait a 5 seconds. And click to the new button and click to the import the third option. And you can select the documents, photos and others files on your device, and you can check it and you can edit in the Goodnotes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.